I want to ask Nigeria government. The sin this woman committed and the sin that funny terrorists have committed, which one will pass? This woman have died. She have died, and I know that all of you are happy. Nigeria government, I know that all of you are happy. This thing that you people are doing to Igbo in this country called Nigeria, it's only God that will deliver the Igbos in Nigeria. It's only God that will deliver the Igbos. I know that all of you are happy. She have died. This woman that you are seeing here, her name is Kalesta Ifede from Enugu State. It's an Igbo woman. DSS arrested in the year 2021 and she died in the year 2026. This January, according to the reports. Sowole is the one that exposed this thing. What happened is that he was arrested. They said that the woman they cook food said to IPOP Biafra. She they sell food to give to them. That is why they arrested her. She had health challenge. She have health challenge, and she died in DSS cell. This is the kind of country that we are into. Wicked generation. Wicked generation. A mother that are selling food to people because he sell food to give to Biafra. That is why she was arrested. In this country called Nigeria, there were less Boko Haram Fulani herdsmen that have been slaughtered people. Thousands of people in Nigeria. They will release them, call them repentant Boko Haram. In this country called Nigeria, our governor will go and do peace talk with terrorists. Negotiate with them. Do peace talk with them. After they finish the peace talk, those terrorists will return back to the bush with their weapons. Igbo, only God in heaven will deliver Igbo in this country called Nigeria. This intimidation, this thing Nigeria government are doing to Igbo in this country is getting out of hand. It's getting out of hand. I want to know the sin this woman committed that meant Nigeria government don't forgive this woman. She died. It's a very wickedness. It's a very wickedness. Nigeria government will forgive terrorists. I said it before that Igbo is a black Jew in Africa. Igbo is a black Jew in Nigeria. Go all the tribe we have in Nigeria. It's the only Igbo you will see Jewish. There are many in Igbo land. It's only Igbo is the tribe that you see Jewish. And the same thing that Israel are going through from the hand of the enemy, the same thing that Igbo are going through here during the Biafran war. Millions of Igbo were slaughtered. And the same thing is happening today. I pray that God Almighty will remember the Igbos because this intimidation is too much. It's too much. Offense this one committed that she sell food. You should sell food. If you come there, she go sell food for you. Because she sell food to the Biafra, IPOP people. That is why she was arrested. Since the year 2021 to this year 2026, she died. She had chest pain. And Sowole is demanding the autopsy. Sowole is demanding the autopsy. Sowole is the one that exposed this thing out.